Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close your Etisalat SIM card online. So whether you are leaving the UAE or you just want to close an extra line, you can now start the cancellation process online or through the application in order to save your time. So first of all, you need to open your E and UAE application on your phone. This is one of the fastest ways to basically manage your lines in 2026. Over here, tap on the option of login on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you can log in into your account by choosing any of the options that are given over here. When you log in into your account, you are going to see your profile tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Inside the profile, simply look for the option of account cancellation or deactivate line. Now, if you have a postpaid plan, the application will show you any exit charges or remaining bills that you need to pay. So you must clear those balances using your credit card directly in the application before the system will let you submit a request to close the account. So once the balance is clear, select the reason of cancellation such as leaving the UAE and tap on the option of submit request. Now, for security purposes, the application may ask you to confirm your identity one last time using UAE Pass or with a quick face scan. If you have a prepaid SIM, the process is even simpler. You can actually let the balance run to zero and stop using the card. According to the Etisalat rules, if you don't use your prepaid SIM and recharge it for over 90 days, the line will be automatically disconnected and it will be closed by the system. So if the app doesn't allow you to finish the process, you can just simply call to the dedicated cancellation number, which is 800-665. So a customer service agent is going to basically verify your detail and can instantly close your line over the phone. Just make sure that you do it at least 48 hours before you need the line fully closed. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.